Hi there! Join me live on Facebook for a free waiter training crash course. 2 hours of skills, knowledge and wisdom that will change your life forever. All you need to do is go to the Waiters Academy Facebook page, subscribe and follow for updates. The course will be on Monday, February 26th, 2 p.m. till 4 p.m. Eastern Time, USA. That is 8 till 10 o'clock in the evening, Central European Time. Don't miss this opportunity, guys. You will learn how to impact the guests within 3 seconds of meeting them, present them in news and the specials, sell and upsell like a pro, handle guest complaints, follow the correct service protocols, and much more. Plus, every participant will get a bonus, a free copy of my ebook, How to Become a Waiter. Sign up on Facebook, guys, right now, and I see you there.